Good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? All right, that's good. All right, it is March and it is the start of our beauty subscription boxes for the month of March 2025. And surprisingly, the one that's come first this month is Glossybox. I'm really surprised. This is the first box I've received. It's normally Look Fantastic, normally followed a couple of days later by Glossybox, but yeah, Glossybox has come first this month, so a little bit shocked, but hey ho, it's all good. So for those of you who don't know, Glossybox is a monthly subscription box. It is a beauty box. You'll get about 5 items inside the box, beauty related items. So usually skincare, you'll get the tools, you might get a hair product, occasionally you get you get a piece of makeup. Usually with the makeup is not normally products that I can use. The shades available tend to be very much for lighter skinned complexions. Last month was unusual though, so let me go through last month's box before I open up today's box. So for March, so February's box, it's the month of love and all of that. Most of the items in last month's box weren't that great, but there was one product that stood out that made up for it, and I was totally delighted, and I've been using it nearly every day since. I haven't used it today, which is typical, isn't it? But I wasn't expecting the Glossybox to come today, but I didn't use it today. I didn't put any bronzer on today at all, actually. Very minimal makeup when I go to work, as you can see. So yeah, let me just go through last month's box. So the first item in last month's box was Bubble Tea Vanilla Mist. Bubble Tea is a brand I am not that fond of, and for some reason Glossybox keeps on giving it to us in our beauty boxes. It's such a rubbish brand. So I have to say it's such a rubbish brand. Cheap products. They do sort of like cheap versions of better brands, bigger brands, more quality brands. So this was like a vanilla mist. I didn't even bother with it. I did put it in my giveaway box, which I will be doing my giveaway for February. I'll be announcing them in soon. Once I get my stuff together, I will be announcing that soon. So that was the first product. I didn't even bother with it. Straight into the giveaway box. The next product was, for me, the star product, and I think it's going to be one of the star products of this year. I really can't see Glossybox beating this product this year, even though we're only in March. So it was from Made by Mitchell, and it was the Blush Bronzer, and we were given the choice of shades. So I think there was 3 or 4 shades that in January Glossybox sort of emailed us and said we can pick one of the shades. Of course, I picked the darkest shade available in the 4 choices, and it was a perfect shade for me. Absolutely love it. Great. I will definitely buy it again when it runs out. And you know what else it's done for me? It's also wakened me up to Made by Mitchell, because we have received Made by Mitchell products from Glossybox before, but every time we've received something, it's been in a shade that I could never use. So I've never really looked at the brand before. Now that I've received that bronzer, I have taken a look at the brand properly. So I went online. I think it was Look Fantastic. I went online to see. It was either Look Fantastic or ASOS. And I saw all the products they do. And now I'm thinking, okay, this is a brand that does really nice colour makeup. So I am, I could see me buying some more Made by Mitchell products in the future if I don't receive it in my beauty boxes. It's for an indie brand. I'm sort of kind of rating it. It's good. It was really good. Absolutely loved that bronzer last month, and yeah, it was wonderful. Next product was from We Are Paradox. This is a brand we see a lot in our beauty boxes, particularly Glossybox and Look Fantastic. And it was a Grow Healthy serum, volumizing serum for the hair. I don't think I kept that. I think I put that in a giveaway box as well. Next was from Ulac, and it was a lip liner. And unfortunately, it was in a shade that wasn't suitable for me. But then I did go and have a look at the site to see what kind of shades they do. And when did I order it? I think I ordered it on Saturday. I used the glossy code because you get 50% off, and I ordered a new one. So I've ordered a lip liner from Ulac in a shade suitable for me, which is a dark brown. So I just ordered the darkest brown they've got, and hopefully it will be okay. I'm kind of hoping it will come in the next couple of days so I can try it out. So, because I'm always looking for a lip liner that is cheaper than the MAC Chestnut, because MAC Chestnut is the perfect shade for me, but it's like £19 for a lip liner. I don't want to pay £19 for a lip liner. So the Ulac one was £9.99, and with a discount code it was £5, but the shipping and stuff, so it's like £7 something. But still, if the shade is right, then it could be a brand I could buy from again in the future, because I'd be happy to pay £10 for a lip liner if it's the right shade in the future. So hopefully, cross fingers, when it arrives it will be the right one for me. And the final product was from Brushworks, another brand that is in beauty boxes, a brand I see as a beauty box brand, a filler product. They make copies of products, and this time it was a hair clip, a giant hair clip, not something I will use, so that's gone in the giveaway as well. So literally, last month, the only product I kept was the Made by Mitchell blush bronzer. But because I pay, was it £13.50 I pay for the box? Is that right? No, it's £12.50 now. It's gone up in price. Because I paid £12.50 for the box, I obviously made my money, because the blush thing is £16. So I was more than happy with last month's box because of that one product. The other products, all in a giveaway. Don't need them. Right, let's get on with this month's box, shall we? So let's have a look and see what we got. I didn't say how much the box cost, did I? So I kind of mentioned it, that I pay, I think it's £12.50 I pay each month. So with Glossybox, you can buy the box per month, and it will cost you, I think if you just buy it sort of per month, and you can cancel any time, I think it's £14. I can't remember. I'm going to put the correct prices up on the screen around me. You can also sign up on sort of set contracts. So for example, I've signed up for a 12-month contract, which is just automatically renewed until I cancel it. So if you do that, the box will be cheaper per month. So I'm now paying, I'm pretty certain it's £11.50 or £12 or £12.50. It's around that price, excuse me, that I pay for the box. Then you can also sign up for, I think you can sign up for 6 months and 3 months as well. You can also sign up for advance payments. So you can do an advance payment to pay for 3 months worth of boxes. I think you can also pay for 12 months worth of boxes. And if you do that, you're paying a upfront, but again, per month it will work out much cheaper as well. So you know, there's many ways that you can sign up to get the Glossybox if you decide to do that. I do have a referral code down below, so if you do decide to sign up for Glossybox, please use my referral code. You'll get something off your first box, and I get glossy points, which I can use towards purchasing something in the future from Look Fantastic. Now this looks interesting. We have got a little sack thing here. I don't know what's going on here, so I'll have a look at that. Leaflets wise, it's the same old leaflets. Oh no, slightly different. We've got Ocado, so if you want to shop with Ocado online, you can do that. They're giving you a discount code. I do my shopping with Ocado because I just prefer the quality of the products, so I do my shopping each week with Ocado. Then we've got HelloFresh. That's a regular one we always get. We always get Tails.com. So I think it's pet food for your dogs. And this is something different. What's this? This is Estrid. Meet the award-winning Estrid Razor. Free shower and shave jelly with your razor start kit. So there you go. There you are. All right. Now let's look into this. So I'm totally intrigued with what's going on here. So it looks like, I don't know. It's like a, oh, it's like a little bag, isn't it? It's a little baggie. Little baggie. And it's got Glossybox written on the side there. Can you see it? Let's turn it around. Turn it around so you can see it. So it's got Glossybox written on the side there. I'm using my mobile phone to film, so if you're noticing a difference in how I'm looking, it's because I'm using my phone. I can't be bothered to go upstairs and get my camera. I've literally come in, put my sort of risotto on to cook, and I just thought, let me just come in here and do this video whilst the food's cooking. Right, there's probably a card. Yeah, there is a QR card normally. I would normally do my QR code scan of this, but I'm actually using my phone to film, so can't do that. So I'm just going to go randomly through the products, pick them out, and I'll put the details on the screen later on when I'm doing my editing. Is that fair? Is that all right? Okay, cool. All right, let's have a look what we got. First product is from Give Them Lala Beauty. So this is from That Woman. I've got a long history of talking about that woman, but yeah, Give Them Lala is one of the brands from what's her name? Esmeralda de Loop. I don't know what her name is, but she's this woman who does beauty box products, all cheap imported products from AliExpress and all those places there. So, you know, so we've got a cream blush, it looks like. The shade is, I don't know. Oh, the shade is We Don't Know Her. Yep. It's a cream brush. It's nice enough. I won't be using it. So I'm just going to put that in the current giveaway because I haven't sealed up that giveaway box yet. So that's going in there. This first product. I don't use anything from that brand. So I'm just out of principle. I just won't. Then we've got something from Youth Lab, and it's something for spots. Youth Lab Blemish Dots, soothing and protecting invisible blemish treating patches, and you've got 32 dots here. Not something I will use. I could try and give this to Kayla, maybe. You know, she's 12 years old now, so she's getting all those teenage acne spots. I've tried to sort of help her not to get it, but she doesn't live with me, so I can't keep an eye on the situation. So yeah, I might just give these to Kayla, see if she wants to use those. But at the same time, I don't want to make her aware of it. I don't want her to make her self-conscious. So by giving her that, I might be telling her, I'm aware that you've got spots, and I don't want to bring that to, you know, I don't want her to think, oh, Auntie's judging me because I've got spots. So I have to talk to my sister about that first before I give that to her. What's next? We've got from Mitchell and Peach, and we've got a hand cream. Yeah, Mitchell and Creep, okay brand. It's all good. Very expensive, this brand. Very expensive, I must say. And luxury hand cream in the English Leaf fragrance. I'll use it. It will get used, so it's fine. What else have we got here? We've got from Jekka Black. And we have got a vegan and cruelty-free eyebrow gel. And it's clear. I tend not to use clear brow gels. I use tinted ones. So tinted brow gels, usually in a dark brown colour. So I'll probably be putting this in my giveaway box as well. But it's still a nice product to receive though. So, yep. So that will probably go in the giveaway. And one last product. This is from Rodile, which is a nice skincare brand. And it's a salicylic acid, and it's a pore refining cleanser. I'll probably keep this. Face cleansers, you can't go too far wrong with face cleansers. And salicylic acid is supposedly pretty good for people with oily skin, which I have got. So yeah, I'll give this a go. So there you are. So those are products from Glossybox. I almost said look fantastic just then. Those were products from Glossybox this month. A nice array of products. Even though I'm not keeping a lot of things, it's still a nice array of products. I will be keeping the face cleanser from Rodile, and I'll be keeping the hand cream from Mitchell and Peach. Products I am not keeping are the Jekka Black eyebrow gel. Nothing wrong with it, it's just that I won't be keeping it because I tend to like using tinted brow gels. Won't be keeping the Give Them Lala cream blush because it's from a particular brand I do not support. And then we've got the blemish dots patches. I'm going to see if I can give those to my niece. But those are our products this month. Okay. But what do you think? Yeah, what do you think? That you're the ones who imported. What do you think about the box? All right, that's it for me today. I am going to try and get about filming the giveaway, so give me a chance. It's going to be up in the next few days where I'll be doing my announce the giveaway winner. All right, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.